fidget spinners were the hottest trend in tiny toys for a very, very long time. Now, however, they're over and done. If you're wondering what the next big thing in sensory play is, we've got your answer right here. They're called liquid motion bubblers, and they really are mesmerizing. These tiny plastic gadgets are filled with water and gel in two colors. The gel bubbles down from one end to the other, and it's fascinating to watch. We've got two different options for you to check out below, and they start at just $7. Here's a video of one in action. Liquid Motion Bubbler Big Mo's Toys Liquid Motion Spiral Timer Toy, great for party favors, birthday gifts, birthday giveaways, holiday gifts or favors, Easter basket or egg stuffers, and much more. One per pack. When purchasing this item, you will receive one bubble timer of the assorted colors. Watch how the bubbles travel down the spiral ramp and be calmed. Stress reliever. This item is a great stress reliever. The mesmerizing effect of the bubbles will keep you and your kids entertained for hours. Focusing tool. Great for children with sensory and hyperactivity issues. The rhythmic effect of this bubble timer helps children with SPD and ADHD calm down and stay focused for a longer amount of time. Great for all ages, this item is one of those that can be enjoyed by adults and children alike. Great for keeping on your desk, on the dresser in your room, or on your kitchen counter. In short, wherever you think it might come in handy. Follow @GreDeals on Twitter to keep up with the latest and greatest deals we find around the web. BGR Deals content is independent of editorial and advertising, and BGR may receive a commission on purchases made through our posts.